Assalamualaikum.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, in this vlog, we will explain the importance of occupational safety and health in every practice and what are the form of personal protective equipment. But before that, it will be nice if we got acquainted first. I'm Rogif Asfahany Ahda.
I am Kristina Ardanis.
I am Cahya Putri Rahmadhani.
I'm Muhammad Ainul Rosid from the Banyuwangi State Polytechnic.
Let's go. Go straight to discussion.
Oh, the function. So this is how the personal protective equipment the when often heard in our daily life. Of course, in the work partitions in civil engineer is a effort to main safety when we carry out every participal activity.
Besides that, there are quite a lot of personal protective equipment that we have to prepare in the practicum. But there are several types of distribution depending on the level of risk of work being carried out.
He said that the material of personal protective equipment that we ask vary according to the risks of the work carried out during work practices.
Oh. X. What are the personal protective equipment to maintain your health and safety at work, especially in carrying your work practice in civil engineering?
In general, what are used in work practice are stress. Its function is to keep the feet from being hit by collision and feet from sharp object around the particular workplace.
Oh, I see. That's really good. So we can be safe in carrying your work practice, especially in civil engineering.
There are also gloves whose function is to protect the hand, is reducing the risk of getting injured by the workplace.
To protect the head, there is a helmet which protects the impact or fall of sharp object and material that come from above that can harm the head.
Then I heard what the glass before.
The shape of the glasses that we wear serve to protect the eyes from material flying around the work area that can injuring the eyes.
Oh, you are so awake. What small from the clothes we wear during practice? Do they wear clothes like this or what?
Oh no, so in our practicum we have our own costume to protect the body and also reduce the risk of getting injured to the material in the work area.
There is something else that missing, namely masks, which in our current condition we are required to wear to reduce the level of spread of the dangerous virus.
One more question. Do we use the personal protective equipment mentioned earlier in every practicum or are there more?
In general, it is what we mentioned earlier. So also all practicums urge the personal protective equipment. However, there are also action in several work practice. For example, is the steel work practice, the aeration, so as safety glass, special glover and welding, and also welding helmets, and approach the protective to body.
Whoa, so you have to be really careful because at the expensive, so it must be mentioned especially in the current condition. Okay, thank you friends who have explained the call again. This every useful for all of you. Hopefully we will always be awake, especially heard in carrying your daily life. Well, maybe that's brief expansion of cloud that is very useful for us more or less sorry. I'll see you in another vlog when I say goodbye to Risai. Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.